Most info sources, for example, on holistic health, bring you two things: a lot of clutter or not enough substance. You end up with fragments, not precise function. Every protocol holds a quantity. Too little, nothing happens. Too much, you create new problems. Timing determines whether the vessel receives or rejects. The third variable marks what most forget to ask and answer. Unlike some beginner's guide, this series carries the name The Basics, not because it simplifies, but because it brings the essentials. For example, when to activate efficient lymphatic exercise, before or after, fasting or purging, or when just living your life, correct methods of holistic skin and facial care, safe herb blending ratios, the right amount of carrier oils to use for essential oil dilution, raw food combining for actual absorption. Each basic builds a usable skill. No trend language, no product placement, no hidden agendas. The basics bring only what your vessel requires to operate. For every topic, a downloadable infographic card awaits on Patreon. Quantity, timing, and that missing question plus the answers all in one reference. The basics, not just fundamentals, essentials.